Hello and welcome back to my channel. So what do we have here? We have a question 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a is equal to 100. So we need to find the value of a, right? How do we solve this? When we have this type of question, we can write it as if I take 5 raised to power a common, I will get 1 plus 1 here and that is equal to 100. This implies 5 raised to power a times 2 is equal to 100, right? So if I divide with 2 both sides, I will get 5 raised to power a is equal to 50, right? Now whenever we have a in power or x in power, what do? We take log both sides. Taking log both sides, then what do we get? We get log 5 raised to power a is equal to log 50. Okay, and this can be written as a log 5 is equal to log 50, right? And this can be written as a is equal to log 50 by log 5, and this is equal to log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Okay, so here we have log 5 times 10. 50 is 5 times 10 and this is log 5. This will become a is equal to log 5 plus log 10 by log 5. Okay, so a is equal to 1 plus, because log 5 by log 5 is 1, and log 10 by log 5, right? And we know that log 10 is equal to 1. So what do we get here? We get a is equal to 1 plus 1 by log 5, and this is the answer value of a. Now we will verify whether this answer is true. For verification, what we will do, we will put this value of a in our question. Our question is this: 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a. 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a is equal to 100, right? So that means we have 2 times 5 raised to power a is 100, right? So we will just take LHS. Okay, so I will do it here. We will just take LHS. LHS is 2 times 5 raised to power a, right? 2 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 1 by log 5, right? So we get 2 times 5 raised to power AB. This becomes 5 raised to power A, 5 raised to power B. Okay, so I will write 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 1 by log 5. Okay, this will become 10 times 5 raised to power 1. I can write it as log 10 by log 5, right? So I will write it as log to the base 5 10. Why? Because log a by log b can be written as log to the base b a, right? This will become 10 times. Now another formula, what do we have, is a raised to power log a b. This is actually is equal to b, right? So this will become 10 because a, if we take here, a is 5, 5 raised to power log 5 10. Base is 5, so this will become b. B means 10, and 10 times 10 is 100, which is our right hand side. This is our right hand side, so that means our value is right.